Hi everybody, I'm Hayes Murray with Remax. I just want to take a moment here and have a quick word about cleaning services and making use of them for your house. So I just got done with closing on a house, happily as I do, and when we were going through there, as you'll see in the pictures I've attached to this video, the appearance of the appliances was not good. And you would tend to say that the owners didn't quite understand how to maintain them and didn't really feel like messing with cleaning them when they left. They tried to say they had a cleaning service come on through, and that's kind of what this video is about. If you have somebody that is coming to your property and they claim they can do cleaning for a living, I would strongly recommend that you cite areas that you are concerned about having them clean, and then I would also come back after they say they're done and look at what they did, because that is going to be pivotal for you getting the kind of results that you're hoping to get as far as cleaning goes. Because I can tell you, when I got over there, no, they had not got the job done even close to what they were supposed to get done. So I'm here another final walkthrough now, and happily these folks have done exactly what I would want them to do. The place looks great, house looks great, it's clean, you know, walking all around here, the appliances look fantastic, not seeing anything dried lettuce leaves at the bottom of fridge drawers or anything like that. So that's the pleasant way that we like to always see these things happen. But if you're ever in doubt and you're sitting there and saying, boy, is my place clean enough, and you want to bring a cleaning service over to go ahead and help you with getting the results that you want, definitely make sure you're specific about what they're to clean and check that they did it, because otherwise the only thing they're going to clean out is your money. So word of the wise on folks right there. I'm not saying all cleaning services are remotely bad, but I'm definitely saying you need to check what they did and be specific about what you want clean. So thank you much. Have a great day. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.